I just got a new LED desk lamp. It had really good reviews on Amazon. Find the details in the description below. I'm just going to unbox it now. It's quite heavy. To one side. Looks like I've got some sort of cloth. 6-month free warranty. That's extended warranty. It's the stand, it's really heavy. Just had to move the camera back to get it in frame. That's metal. I think it's got a plastic base, but it's got a USB port. Just gonna get the mains now. So I've just plugged the USB in. Not a smart charge one though. Got a logo at the top. You can twist it both ways. Fold it all the way down.